All right, second example. Ship X sights ship Y on a bearing of 286 degrees. What is the bearing of X from Y? Okay, again, it's pretty important that you read this part correctly here. So this is from point Y or ship Y. What's the bearing to get to ship X? So again, think about it, right? If this is ship X, where is ship Y going to be? Is it going to be to the right? Is it going to be to the left? Is it going to be above? Is it going to be below, right? So if you're looking at the north-south line for ship X, 286 degrees is above 270 degrees. So if we were rotating in the positive direction, 90, 180, 270, 286 is going to be right up here. So ship Y is going to be in this direction, okay? So that just, again, helps you figure out where to place ship X on your page when you get started so you have enough workspace. So here's ship X. I'm going to give myself my directions. And we're going to, again, you kind of have to approximate where 286 degrees is, but we're going to rotate this direction. And, 286 is, let's say it's right there. Okay. So again, the length of this blue line is irrelevant at the point, but this is where ship Y is going to be. And we know that, the measurement going from the north line here is going to be 286 degrees to there, right? So that's 286. I always like to, find that little angle in here. I always think that that's going to be helpful at some point. Alternatively, you could find this angle up here. Either one doesn't matter, but I know that that green angle is going to be 16 degrees because if I subtract 270 degrees from 286, I get a 16-degree angle here. Those alternate interior angles are going to be helpful. So next up, I'm going to draw my north, south, east, west line here for ship Y. And again, remember, we're trying to figure out the bearing of X from Y. So basically, I'm measuring from the north line of Y to this angle so I can get to ship X there. So I essentially want to know what is that angle there, right? What is this angle right here? So in this case, I think it was pretty helpful to mark this 16-degree angle here because of alternate interior angles. Then I know that this little angle right here is also 16 degrees as well. So I'm going to mark that. And then find that red bearing from the north line of ship Y to the angle here. I'm going to add 90 degrees and 16 degrees. And that's going to give me 106-degree bearing. And that's, again, that's the bearing of X from Y, 106 degrees. Alternatively, again, you could, if you wanted to, calculate it from a different perspective. So one of the things you could do is, again, you could look at the north line of ship X and the north line of ship Y here. These same side interior angles right here are supplementary, right? So we could, if we needed to, we could find this angle here, right? I know that that's a full rotation of 360, and I know the given angle here is 286. So if I subtract 286 from 360, let's see what that gives us. That's going to give us 74 degrees. So this angle here is 74 degrees. And I know that 74 degrees and this red angle right here from ship Y, these two are supplementary. So if I subtract 74 from 180, that's going to also give me 106 degrees. That's another way to find this bearing here, right? So lots of different ways to do it. There isn't one specific way to do it, but it's all your choice of what you see first.